Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing 3 quick looks for Halloween. I have drawn them down and I'm going to be showing how to create 3 different looks with the same really cheap and affordable makeup set from The Works. If you don't know where The Works is, it's just a shop that sells pretty much loads of different gadgets, crafts, arts, books, board games, loads of things. Makeup kit that has loads of different colours in there. It does have loads of different crayons as well, sponge, and also a little bit of fake blood for only £2. Bargain. What I'm going to be doing is my outfits will be changing during these videos for each different look, just because I'll be filming them on different days, so the lighting will change as well. So I'm going to open this up first. So I'm going to be doing the first look, which is this clown look that I came up with. I just, got inspired by loads of different clown looks. I'm gonna have a mirror here so I can see close up. And I'll be telling you what I use from the kit as well. So let's get started. So when I open it up, as you can now see a lot better and a lot clearer, you get the colours of crayon, like facial paint crayons up there. There looks like it's a black, a yellow, purple and a red, which is a really good different variety of colours for different looks as well. You've also got a little fake blood, which looks like around 6 little mil of blood. You've also got the little pumpkin faces, which is in the middle, that has a different variety of colours as well. Then you've also got little sponges and a little sponge here. So I am going to start off with my favourite part, so I'll get a bit closer for this, which is the eyes. So I'm going to start off with the eyes. Let's do one eye together. I'm going to do very pointy eyes, so hopefully they will come up to like here. It looks like the winged eyeliner is first I'm going to start off with, because that might be the easiest. Then right underneath the waterline, and then a nice triangle down here, and then symmetrical one just at the top, and then 2 dots. I've gone for the pen first, well, the crayon thing first, so I think that'll be the easiest. So the actual crayon itself is really creamy, so it's really easy to just glide onto the skin. It can be a bit messy, like especially if you're trying to do like a really sharp point with a crayon that's quite like thick at the end. It might be a bit harder, but it's not too bad, not too bad. Okay, so don't be a donut and put it actually on the waterline, because that's what I just did and it's literally in my eyeball. It does, there's another word I'm looking for. I'm really great with my words. When it like goes onto other things, oh, you probably know what I'm talking about, but it does what's that word? It goes onto things really easily. I can't think of the word right now. Okay, so now I'm going to do the triangle. So I've just gone under the eye slightly, and then I'm going to do a triangle into a sharp point just under where the eyes would like go. So if I'm looking straight. Okay, so there is the first triangle going straight down. But yeah, I'm going to finish the top half now. Okay, so that is the first eye done. But yeah, I've done the 2 little dots, which I think is a really cool touch. And now I'm going to do the other eye. And there you go. So there is both of the eyes done. And then I'm going to do the nose. Then the last thing is the mouth, which is just going to be quite elongated black outline and then full on deep red in the middle as well. This look doesn't have any blood with it, but you could add blood, and maybe I'll add blood at the end just to see like how we could make it even crazier. So I'm using the same crayon to get the outline, and then I'm going to fill it in red with probably the red pen crayon as well, because that way it's a lot easier to just get in small areas like that. So there we go, the little nose. And then I'm going to finish it off with the smile. So I'm going to do the black outline first with the same black crayon first, and then fill it in, and I'll probably use the actual red paint. So let's work with these 2. And there you go, and then add in the red, and then this look will be done. And there we go. So that is the complete look, I think. Yeah, I think this is a really cool, quick and easy look. And then if you want to add blood, I will do what it will look like with blood now. Sorry about the lighting. Oh, it's got in my mouth. yummy. As you can see, I just added a bit of blood around the mouth. I didn't want it to look more like a vampire, so I just top and a little bit at the bottom as well. So thank you for watching the first part of this 3 makeup look, and stay watching to see the next one. Okay, so we are on the second look now, which is my skeleton look. It'd be good if I actually got the drawings out so I knew what I was doing. Good time. So normally for a skeleton look, they do their whole faces like a white to really get the shading. So obviously, as you saw before, I only do have the little triangles of white, so that's not going to be enough to do a whole face. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the outlines of shading. I'm going to still do the teeth, do really dark eyes, and just leave the face the natural skin colour. I think I'm going to start on is the eyes, so I've got my mirror here as well. So let's start with the eyes first. So I'm going to go in with the pen crayon thing, the crayon little tool. Ouch. Obviously these are really quick and easy looks, so I'm not going to spend like hours making them perfect. The idea is that it's something quick and easy if you are last minute Halloween looks. So what I'm going to do is really like just outline my whole eye rather than just doing the top part of the eye. Does that make sense? Probably not. I'm going to do the nose now, because the nose actually looks like the most hardest part. It's very precise. I'm going to outline it with the crayon, and then I'm going to fill it in with a little sponge brush and the black. So there's my nose. So with the actual creams, like the paints, they are very creamy, so you do have to use quite a lot with the paints. And then I'm going to do the shading around the forehead, and then my cheekbones, like around my jawline, my cheekbones, and my jawline, my cheekbones. Let's do this, and then this. That's not straight. It's a little bit better. Okay, now I've done the shading, I'm going to move on to the mouth. The idea is that it's a black line coming through all the way here, and then the outlines of the teeth, and inside the teeth you can then go with white just to sharpen up the teeth, make them a bit more prominent, and obviously like people can see the teeth as well. I'm going to go really lightly first. What I'm going to do is connect all of the lines. So I've started to do it on this side of the face here. These are going to be the teeth. Same with the bottom ones, but they'll be a point at the bottom. And then I'm going to go and fill them in with the white paint and a brush. And then probably go over them again with black, maybe even the crayon, to really give it that sharp finish. Outline is done, and now I'm going to fill them in with white. This might take a while. Whew. So I'm now finished doing the white. Actually just go quite a long way. I've still got one triangle. Oh, bye. I'm going to go in with a little bit more just to really make them pop. Okay, so they are a lot whiter now, and now I'm going to go in with, I'm going to use the black paint that's in here. Everything just keeps falling out on the sponge, and go really lightly over the teeth just to make them really pop. So this is pretty much the final look. It's very quick and easy. Obviously it's not as neat as I could do it because it is quite hard using brushes like this, but it's not too bad. I thought it was going to be worse than what I anticipated in my head. I'm going to be adding blood, just to obviously if you want to make it even more gruesome or gory, and there is blood in the kit, so why not use it. I'm going to get the little blood capsule, and I'm just going to go around the corners of the mouth, a lot around the mouth as well, a few over the teeth, to really get that effect that I've been eating some people's. It's not going to be perfect either, especially if you're eating someone. Now I'm going to do some drip effects. So sorry if the quality looks different. I had to use Jordan's phone because my phone ran out of storage. Good fun. Doing the drip effect. Oh, it's in my hair. I love that. But I'm not going to do it really around the mouth because I don't want to give that vampire look. So I'm going to just dot around the mouth a lot. So it looks like I've eaten someone. like so. Oh, kiss my cheek. And that is pretty much the look if you were to add blood. This is the final look. So hope you like it and keep watching to see the last in my mouth. Yeah, if you do like this look, give it a thumbs up. I don't know if I said that for the first one, but and keep watching to see the final look of this video. Okay, so this is the final look of this video, and it's going to be the bad kitty, is what I call it. This one here. I'm going to start off with the eye. So cat eyes, obviously very pointy and sharp. I'm starting under the eye and then really going to make that sharp at the end, and then go over the top top eyelid. Yeah, that's the word. And then connect it also at the top and really get that sharp finish for the cat eye. So the first eye is done. So obviously I've really elongated the flick at the end, and then I've made it pointy in the corner of my eye as well. And I'm just going to do the next eye. So now the second eye is done. The hardest thing is to make sure that the flicks are like symmetrical, but I think that looks okay. And then I've really gone in on the inner corners of my eye just to make them look extra pointy. Next I'm going to do brush strokes to make it just look like a bit of fur, and I'm going to do that with my sponge that you get in the kit as well. Just with the end of the sponge and just really lightly going over it. Gives it that like fur effect, I guess. And you can go inwards, dabbing motions, give it some texture. And there. And then you've got some fur. Obviously cats have fur all over them, but this just adds a little bit of texture. There we go. And then I'm going to do that to the same on this side as well. So then I've gone in with the brush and some black and just done some lines. Looks like it's fur on the face. And then what I'm going to do is do a little bit of my eyebrows to make them look more bushy. So let's make these eyebrows bushy. I don't know how I feel about these. The good thing with this makeup is that it's really easy to come off. So I'm just going to go over it a little bit. I thought it was going to look more like fur, but they didn't. So I'm going to just get rid of these. So next, it's the little button nose that kittens have, and the dots and the whiskers as well. So it was actually a lot harder than what I thought. Because the paint is so creamy, it just keeps transferring back onto the brush. So I'm just going to work with it, but got my little nose, and then I've just attached it to the lip and do the dots and then the whiskers, and then yeah, this looks like poo. I don't know what, I think it's just because it's so creamy, it's so hard to do like precise lines. Yep. I mean, blood makes any okay, this is really going well. Yeah, so let's do these lips. Oh wait, I wasn't meant to do that. Oh well. Done the lips. They're actually not too bad. The point's actually really nice. Just not a fan of these whiskers. I don't know how I'm gonna make them look so good. The good thing is that it comes off like so easily because it's so creamy. Let's try this again. Okay. We'll just go with that. We'll go with that. Let's leave it at that. So this is the final look if you're just going for a really quick, easy kitty look. But I'm going to add blood to mine because she's a bad kitty. So it's, you can have like drips of blood here, like she's eaten something. I might do as if she's like had a cat fight and do a scratch somewhere. So let's do the drips on the lips first. So going to go in with the drip. Oh yeah, and this blood stains the face. That was fun to find out. Ooh. Okay. That will do. Oh, okay. Now let's do this gash on the face. Gash, cut. Let's do the cut on the face. So I've darkened it up first just to give it some depth. Now I'm going to add the blood. And I'm going to just use the sponge, because otherwise it looks like a patch of blood. This looks terrible. Apologies for the terrible makeup. This looks good. This bit looks cool. This. Yeah, let's just imagine she's grazed on the face. I'm going to try a little one here and just see what it looks like. No. Well, it looks a little bit better than that. This is the final look. because she's a bad kitty. Well, that wraps up the video of these 3 looks using just one makeup kit, so I hope you do enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite look, 1, 2 or 3, and also you can subscribe to my channel by pressing this little button here or my face at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!